Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with T-Mobile Home Internet. T-Mobile offers a fixed wireless internet service designed for home use. Their website, found at t-mobile.com/home-internet, provides details on their plans and availability. They emphasize a straightforward approach, highlighting no hidden fees, no data caps, and no annual contracts. This contrasts with many traditional internet providers, often criticized for complicated pricing and restrictive data allowances. T-Mobile aims to provide a transparent and flexible alternative. Their marketing materials focus on the simplicity and convenience of their offering, appealing to those seeking a hassle-free internet experience. They often promote the ease of setup and the ability to avoid long-term commitments. Coverage information is available on their site, allowing potential customers to verify service availability in their area before signing up. They frequently tout the advantages of 5G technology, particularly in terms of speed and reliability, although the actual speeds experienced by customers can vary depending on location and network congestion. T-Mobile frequently positions its home internet as a strong competitor to cable and DSL providers, particularly in areas with limited broadband options. The website also details equipment information, including the provided gateway device, and explains how the service works. They commonly feature customer testimonials and reviews to build trust and showcase positive user experiences. T-Mobile Home Internet aims to provide a competitive option for consumers seeking a no-frills, fixed wireless internet solution. They focus their messaging on transparency, value, and the convenience of wireless technology. For more specifics on pricing and availability in your specific location, it's best to visit their website directly at t-mobile.com/home-internet. They also often run promotional offers, so checking the website regularly can help you find the best deal. My experience with T-Mobile Home Internet has been, insert your experience here. Expand on your speeds, reliability, customer service interactions, overall satisfaction, etc. Be sure to make this section detailed enough to fill out the length requirement. Discuss the pros and cons you've personally experienced.